actually wanted a house like this. Very minimal, simple. Now my house still look like this, empty as hell. Is that peacocks or something? I think those are peacocks. It's like the banquet hall. The Tokugawa emblem. It's like Tokugawa. I think a lot of these are replicas. It says it's at the museum. I wonder what it would cost to build a house like this. Like a smaller version of something like this would be nice. It's already cooked stuff, I guess. Yeah, this little courtyard. Cool. And the ceilings are super low. They must have been very short back in the day. Samurai swords. We're going to the actual castle. I feel like I just went in a small circle. Hold on. There was a sign that said something was closed, but I wonder if they meant the castle. Hey, don't tell me we can't go in the actual castle. Oh, yeah, it is closed. I'm gonna do one more round. I wonder if that's really it. Ah, that sucks, man. I want to see the actual castle. Is that really it? I'm gonna look more. I'll come back when if I see something new. There's a ninja. Real ninja. Man, that wasn't worth 500 yen. Alright, I think I'm done with castles, man. I mean, they didn't even let me into this one. I'm sure it's very similar to the one in Osaka that I saw. Yeah, there wasn't anything new. I walked around the whole grounds. Alright, yeah, I'm done with castles, Japanese castles from now on. Straight. It's not like it's gonna change. Try to preserve it since the 1600s. 100 years from now, it's gonna look the exact same. Beautiful though. It's just looks like exactly like the last one. So you go to one, it's like going to all. That's how I felt about the temples in Thailand. Like after like 2 of them, the 3rd one I was already like pretty bored. They all seem pretty much very similar. Actually, there were a few that was like quite different. Like man, I forgot the name of that temple. It's like very colorful, and you could like climb the stairs, and it's right next to that river. That one was pretty cool, but yeah, we took a tour that time, and that tour guide sucked. Charged so much money. Could have done that whole thing at like 25% of what he was charging us. Leaves are falling, autumn leaves. Okay, I don't think I saw this part. It's a tea house. Okay. Yeah, I didn't go inside here yet. Take a little look. I don't think I'm gonna get any tea, but actually I kind of wanted to do one of these tea ceremony things. walk the whole loop around here. I don't know why I'm still talking super quiet. I just feel like I have to speak quietly in this whole country. This would be a nice peaceful walk though, if I lived here. Wow. This way. This is the actual tea house, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I ain't really trying to get tea. Ooh. Building. I wonder if that's like City Hall or something. There's like a Italian restaurant back there. I started smelling lasagna and shit. Alright, so yeah, I decided to walk back. Okay, so this is City Hall. Alright. That's what it looked like basically. Nice. I'm just gonna walk back. It's like a 40-minute walk. Just gonna take my time, stroll back. It's a nice day today. I like it warmed up today somehow. Yeah, just take a slow stroll back. I might drop by store. If I see any stores, I might drop by, look for some inventory. There's fucking gnats everywhere. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but these fucking gnats are everywhere. Check it out. There's a sriracha vending machine. Wow. Sriracha, Japan? I didn't even know they had one of these in Japan. I thought this was only America. Wow. I don't need any sriracha. That's pretty cool. I thought they only sold that in America. They should have that in Vietnam. Like, Americans usually use that when they eat pho, but they don't have that in Vietnam. They have their own hot sauce. I prefer the sriracha though. I got used to it since I ate it first in America, and yeah, mostly ate pho in America. So yeah, got used to the sriracha sauce. Alright, made it back to the room. So that took a lot less time than I thought it would. But yeah, probably just get to work and go out for dinner later. Not sure what I want to eat, but I might bring you guys along if I haven't taken you guys there yet. If I just end up going to a place I've already been, I probably won't film it. But yeah, anyways, that might be the end of the video. So either goodbye or see you later.